Three-letter word and vowel recognition. Now that your child has mastered lowercase and uppercase capital letter sounds, you are ready to introduce 3- and 4-letter words. Words that can be phonetically sounded out, such as bus or pig, are best to start with. Words that contain capital letter sounds and double consonant sounds such as cake or fish are best left until your child has gained some success and can sound out most three-letter words with lowercase phonetic sounds. Three-letter word and vowel recognition. Choose the puzzle piece bus. Ask your child to find the word letters and place them in the puzzle. Ask your child to sound out each letter and tell you what the word says. Choose several puzzle pieces. Have your child sound out the letter sounds and tell you what the words say. Place 2 or more puzzle pieces in front of your child. Say one of the puzzle pieces' first letter sound. Ask your child to remove any pieces with that first letter sound. Repeat the activity until all the pieces have been removed. Ask your child to choose a puzzle piece. Ask your child to place the letters in the puzzle to spell the word. Ask your child what the word is. Three-letter word recognition. At this stage, your child will be familiar with 21 consonant letter sounds and 5 vowels, the alphabet. Reading success and self-confidence is improved by presenting your child with play-based toys that have phonetic letter sounds, which make phonetic sounding words. The Montessori reading blocks have 5 vowels and 13 consonants of phonetic sounding letters that can be changed by your child to form 80 different phonetic sounding words. Your child is well on their way to learning how to read. This set of reading blocks also introduces the 5 vowels A, E, I, O, and U. Silent E and vowel recognition. This set of reading blocks introduces the silent E, as well as the 5 vowels A, E, O, and or A, E, I, O, and U. The silent E blocks. Silent E makes the vowel say its name. So a word like can becomes cane by adding an E on the end. Give your child the A silent E reading block and let your child know that by adding an E at the end of a word makes the vowel say its capital name. Show your child the word can with a blank block at the end of the word. Ask your child to sound out the letter sounds and say the word. Three-letter word sentences. Each reading block has a combination of 16 words that can be made and pronounced phonetically by sounding out the letter sounds. The next step in teaching your child to read is to use those combination of words to make short 3-word sentences. Note, some of the words on the blocks may be unusual words, but to begin with, the 3-letter words do not have to make sense. Your child is learning to sound out the letters and realize that those letter sounds form words. In this picture, we see a toilet roll wrapped in colored poster paper. We can write letters and draw pictures, and as the paper rotates, it forms new words. Tips to develop a child's fine motor skills. Preschool children need to develop fine motor skills to hold a pencil when learning to write or turning the pages of a book to read. In the drawing, you see a pincer grip for writing. On the left, a 1 to 2-year-old grip. On the right, a 3 to 5-year-old grip. Tips to develop a child's fine motor skills. Touch the thumb and fingers together. Button and unbutton clothing. Learn to dress. Zip and unzip a zipper. Learn to dress. Large piece puzzles with 4 or more pieces. Color and draw. Trace shapes. Numbers and lowercase letters on paper or blackboard. Eating using knife and fork. Cut up paper using plastic safety scissors. Transfer large objects from one container to another. Transfer small objects from one container to another using 3 fingers. Lace large beads together. Transfer small objects from one container to another using 2 fingers. In the next video, we will look at toys and play space equipment for reading, writing, and fine motor skills.